Hi from Berlin, this is Julie.
And Ludwig.
And this is Ben. And because we can't be in Sydney at the conference, we're sending you a short video postcard. As part of our sponsorship of Iahpr, all conference attendees will have the opportunity for free licenses to use the Survey Engine Choice Modelling platform. So in this video, we'll run through some of the features of the platform we think might be useful to you in your health preference studies. We'll cover experimental design using Engine, setting up choice experiments, simulating responses, and creating choice models. So a little background. I built Survey Engine to support the research of Jordan Louvier in Sydney in the early 2000s when I was working with him. And this meant building the software from scratch around choice experiments. The software is now widely used in health, transport, and environment research studies, where there's a need for a reliable preference instrument, predominantly DCEs, but also TTOs and decision trees. So let me show you around the software. First, we have the Choice Experiment Builder. This is designed around alternatives, attributes, and levels. Choice experiments are described rather than coded. And this open structure means that all major variations can be created from paired, unlabeled experiments, opt-out experiments, labeled alternative-specific experiments, and pivot designs. And of course, it also does best worst and was in fact the first software ever to do so. Last year, working with Michelle Bleemer, John Rose, Andrew Collins, and David Henscher, we integrated their Engine experimental design builder into Survey Engine. Now, this means that Engine scripts that match your DCE can be created and configured without learning the scripting language. The scripts are built in real time and they can be downloaded or run, and the designs automatically used within Survey Engine. Choice scenarios can then be placed in line with other data collection elements like questions with no special coding. And design rows from the experimental design can be directly allocated, blocked, randomly drawn, or even repeated. One of the more useful functions is the ability to fully simulate the data collection before going to field. This simulator performs the same operations a user would through a browser and is agnostic to the actual study. It scans the pages, selects survey elements, and enters fields using a virtual browser. And this is useful to generate data to verify your instrument is working as you intend. Finally, I'll show you the choice modeling output. As the experiment has already been defined, the software can generate a default M&L model with no configuration. We're currently integrating with the Apollo choice modeling libraries, which will allow far greater freedom in building choice models directly from the data collection instrument. If you think that Survey Engine software might be useful, we'd like to invite Iahpr members to a free project license for 3 months. To participate, just go to surveyengine.com, click on the free trial, and enter the code Iahpr Sydney in the promo code area. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference, and I also hope to meet you in person at the next one.